No, I don't get you, Devereaux. I'm the one you want. Why not take your shot?
Tempting. Give away my position, though. Always willing to die for the cause, eh, Mason?
Fear's the enemy, you taught me that.
Yeah. Well, I haven't finished teaching you yet, son.
Yet here I am about to take you down all the same.
You're not gonna take me down, kid. You're a blunt instrument at best. No perspective, no knowledge.
Keep talking, old man.
This is humiliating. Embarrassing. Just like in Moscow. Huh? Isn't it? What is it, Mason? No one there to hold your hand? No one there to tell you to pull the trigger?
He's still in the car. Where's the nearest parking lot?
Go straight ahead this way.
So no regrets?
Not one.
He's here. He's around here somewhere.
Gas, get back! Get back!